Hi everyone, I Divya Gupta from JVN Divya Gupta from the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I am here to present the PPT on the design of torsion. My subject name is Concrete Structure Second and I belong to discipline Civil Engineering. First of all, torsion spring design. As my experience, torsion springs exert a torque when they are twisted or deflected. The spring torque and the length of the legs together create a force. Torsion springs can be made out of round, rectangular, or shaped wire. A simple torsion spring has straight, but any bends or shapes can be formed. Double torsion springs can be used when twice the force is required or when you need an even distribution of the torque. Here some example which are given by this diagram explain what is torsional spring. हम another word में ये कह सकते हैं कि torsion is also equals to the moment or a rotation. So the actual formula for torsion or torque or moment is equals to force into perpendicular distance. In the torsion we can also include rotation. Now the second term is spring term. Spring term is what? ID. In the ID is inside diameter, D is mean diameter, dm is minimum diameter under deflection, del is deflection angle, d is wire diameter, L is leg length and Na is number of active coils. The diagram which are given in the previous slide, some dimensions are given here जो कि आपके उस डायग्राम में दे रखी हैं. UTS is ultimate tensile strength, del L is deflection, C is spring index. Common spring materials. कुछ common spring materials हैं जो अपनी डेली लाइफ में या कंस्ट्रक्शन की लाइन में यूज़ में आते हैं. जैसे कि फर्स्ट है अपना उनकी जो मटेरियल दे रखे हैं और उनकी मैक्सिमम रिकमेंडेड टेंसाइल परसेंट दे रखी है बेंडिंग में कि वो मैक्सिमम कितना बेंड हो सकते हैं विदाउट ब्रेक हुए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल म्यूजिक वायर 80%, क्रोम सिलिकन 80%, क्रोम वेनेडियम 80%, 302 stainless steel 60%, 316 stainless steel 60% and 17 stainless steel is 75%. Here the value shows the grade of the steel. डिज़ाइन टिप्स. टॉर्जन स्प्रिंग अगर हमें बनानी है तो उसकी कुछ डिज़ाइन टिप्स होंगी. The first one is torsion spring should be deflected in the direction that closes the coils inside diameter reduced to dm, minimum diameter से कम होगा. When deflected, mandrel size should be larger than dm. Na takes into account the material in the legs. If the force is supplied close to the body of the spring, not anti is a good approximation. Selection. First choose material type and helix. Next select a range of wire diameter that you think may be appropriate. Finally, select the amount of deflection you expect to have in the application. Keep in mind that the amount of deflection is also the same as the free position of the end. The broader the range is selected, the more option will be offered. Material. Music wire, example ASTM A228, 250 degree maximum operating temperature. Stainless steel type 302 ASTM A313, 500 degree maximum operating temperature. What is torque? Now torque, torsion and the moment are the same thing, but torque values shown are at the degree of deflection listed for each spring. To find the torque value for any other position, simply use a direct proportion of the required position divided by the listed position. That means if the torque is listed as 500 in lbs at 180 degree deflection, what is the torque at 90 degree? 90 degree per 180 degree into 500 in lb is equals to 0.250 in lb. Values listed are for average use. These value can be increased by 20% for light or static use. Infinite life can be obtained by reducing values by 20% and proper mounting. Next term is load. This is the direct force applied at a given radius. Torque. Load, let us assume load is equal to P is equals to torque or radius. If a spring has a torque of 0.985 in lbs at 180 degree deflection, what is the load exerted at 0.500 inch radius? 0.985 divided by 0.500 is equals to 1.97 lbs. The tolerance is 1.97 lbs. Torque is plus minus 10% and the diameter is plus minus 5%. Direction of helix. Stock torsion springs are available in both right and left hand helix. The direction must be specified. Torsion springs are designed to be used in the wrapped down position. If used in the opposite direction, the loads are available which be much lower than those listed. Ends. Straight legs are supplied as shown in the diagram. Special end configurations and forming can be supplied on request. To determine the end configuration in the free state, match the degrees deflection to the appropriate figure below. Mandrel size. What is mandrel size? A suggested mandrel size as shown in figure, which gives different type of deflection. If more deflection is required from a listed spring, it will be necessary to reduce the mandrel size and allow additional axial space. In the following figures, 90 degree deflection, 180 degree deflection, 270 degree deflection and 360 degree deflection. All the 4 degree deflections are present here. Thank you so much.